to get back underway. Ammi Hondo, it is. The look on Hondo's face yesterday is a memorable one. She went through the line, clocked her time, then did a little bit of a retake to look back behind her again, because then she realised that time had put her in the podium placing. So Ammi Hondo getting the bronze yesterday. You can see Laura Valenu in the background a moment ago, just watching on. She got to the first intermediate. She didn't get any further than that. Hondo, on the other hand, going okay. Well back on Boucher, but that wouldn't have been the end. That's a great, great second intermediate. Boucher had her difficulties through there because we've seen people closing the time. How much more has Hondo got to give? 22-year-old is outside now, though, so it shows you how much Boucher was motoring through the bottom half.